If you have been waiting to buy a dream car, stop waiting. We are living on the edge of a cliff. The automotive world is changing faster than we can keep up, and the machines we love, the loud, gas-guzzling, V8 powered monsters, are being hunted to extinction. But there is one survivor. One car that refuses to go quietly into the electric night. The 2026 Audi RS6 Avant. While its rivals are downsizing to four-cylinder hybrids or adding thousands of pounds of batteries, Audi has done something heroic. They have kept the V8. But with the electric RS6 e-tron looming on the horizon, this might be your absolute final chance to own the legend before it changes forever. So, is the 2026 RS6 Avant worth the massive price tag? Or is it just a dinosaur walking towards a meteor? Welcome back to Apex Reveal. Today we find out. Let's start with the heart of the matter. Under the hood, the 2026 RS6 Avant performance retains the legendary 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. There are no charging ports here. There is no four-cylinder engine trying to sound like a supercar. Just 8 cylinders, 2 massive turbos, and a symphony of noise. For 2026, this engine produces 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That is enough power to launch this 5-seater family wagon from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. That is faster than many dedicated supercars from a decade ago. And because it uses the Quattro all-wheel drive system, that speed is accessible anywhere, in the rain, in the snow, or on a school run. +1. But numbers on a spreadsheet don't tell you how it feels. Driving the RS6 is an event. The power delivery is violent and immediate. The transmission shifts with a brutality that wakes you up. And unlike the new hybrid competitors, you don't feel the weight of a massive battery dragging you down in the corners. It feels organic. It feels mechanical. However, the RS6 has a split personality. And this is why you buy a wagon. Switch the drive mode to comfort, and the beast goes to sleep. The standard RS adaptive air suspension softens up, absorbing bumps and potholes with surprising grace. The exhaust valves close, the cabin becomes whisper quiet, and it becomes a luxury cruiser capable of crossing continents without breaking a sweat. Inside, the cabin is starting to show its age compared to the newest EV interiors, but honestly, that is a good thing. You still get the dual touchscreen MMI system and the virtual cockpit, but it feels like a car, not a spaceship. The materials are exquisite. Valcona leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara cover every surface. And because it is a wagon, you have over 565 liters of cargo space. You can throw a bicycle, a golden retriever, or a week's worth of camping gear in the back and still outrun a Porsche 911 at the stoplight. Now, we have to talk about the RS6 Avant GT. For 2026, Audi released this limited edition GT model as a final farewell. It features manually adjustable coilover suspension, carbon fiber bodywork, and a design inspired by the Audi 90 IMSA race car. It is rawer, stiffer, and louder. If you can get an allocation for one of these, do it. It is an instant collector's item. But for most people, the standard performance trim is actually the better car for daily driving because of the air suspension. So, is the 2026 Audi RS6 Avant worth buying? Here is the verdict. If you look at the competition, the BMW M5 Touring has gone hybrid and gained massive weight. The Mercedes E63 is struggling with its identity. The RS6 Avant stands alone as the last pure V8 superwagon. Yes, it is expensive. Yes, it drinks fuel like it's going out of style. But that is the point. It is the end of an era. In 5 years, you won't be able to buy a car like this new. You will be looking at used listings, wishing you had bought one when you had the chance. It is fast, it is practical, and it has a soul. The 2026 Audi RS6 Avant is not just worth buying. It is a mandatory purchase for anyone who loves driving. Thanks for watching this review on Apex Reveal. Are you Team Audi Wagon, or would you take the new hybrid BMW M5? Let me know in the comments below. Drive safe.